If you want to learn exactly how you can get to $100 or more a day just using TikTok and affiliate marketing, this training is for you. I'm literally going to share exactly how you can use a totally free tool online to create amazing TikTok videos in seconds. Then I'm going to share how you can upload these videos onto a TikTok profile to start to get tons of free clicks to whatever affiliate link you want to promote. All this resulting in you easily getting to that $100 a day mark as fast and as easy as possible. Not only that, but towards the end of the video, I'm even going to share how to find good products to promote with this method if you don't know where to find some, and I'll share some bonus hacks to scale this method to thousands of dollars a week. So if you're excited to learn this, be sure to like the video and comment "Let's go" to show others you're serious about creating income online. So the first thing I want to share with you is just some other profiles that are already doing a similar method so you can see that this works incredibly well. One of them is Goodreads Quotes. You can see that they post very simple videos with just a basic video and text, but you can see that these videos are getting thousands of views right here. Now this one got 15,000, 1,800, 6,700 and more. Okay, now you can see that they also have a link right here that if you open up this link will go to different affiliate offers like this one right here, and they can start to make money, and you will too when you use this method. You can see this one right here, Motivated AF. You can see that they have the similar videos right here, okay, with just a basic video and text. And again, as you watch this video, I'm going to share exactly how to create these in seconds, so you can go ahead and pump these out, and you can see that these videos are getting thousands of views. And again, they have a link promoting affiliate offers. So the first step is we need to go to TikTok and we need to sign up for a free account. Now you can use a phone, you can continue with Facebook. Basically, you just want to sign up, and once you sign up, you want to basically model these profiles here. We're going to create a TikTok in the motivation, the success niche, because we're going to be promoting products to help people make money and also start an online business, which is very popular right now. So we just want to create a title right here. You can see this one says Motivated AF. You can do, success quotes, success tips, anything like that as your name. And then you just want to write a very simple sentence right there. You can see motivational success mindset. You can also write something like this: be inspired and encouraged by quotes. And then now what you want to understand is you can't actually add a link to your TikTok bio until you get to at least 1,000 followers, which is totally fine, because I'm going to share with you how to create these videos in seconds so you can quickly and easily build at least 1,000 followers. So then you can put a link into your bio. Okay, so for the most part, you want to just set up your profile like that. For a photo here, you can simply go to Google Images and you can type something in like beach wallpaper, and you can go ahead and download one of these photos and use it as your profile photo right there. Now, once your profile is set up, the next simple step is to simply create videos like this. So what I'm going to share with you is a totally free tool you can use to create videos just like this. So there's going to be a link directly below. All you have to do is go to that link. It's going to take you to invideo.io. This is a totally free tool to create TikTok videos. You just can click here to get started. It's free and there's no credit card required. So once you create a free account and you're inside of your dashboard, you want to click on templates. And what we want to do is we want to actually go down here and click portrait. And what that's going to do is share with us all these different TikTok templates. Now, it doesn't really matter which one you choose, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to choose this one right here. And all you have to do is click use this template, and it's going to load where we can go ahead and start to edit this template and create a TikTok video. Okay, so once this is loaded, the first thing we want to do is we want to click on this audio right here, and we want to delete that audio. You can just click delete on your keyboard if you're on a computer. And what we want to do is we want to actually first off choose a video here. So if we go to videos, I can just search in something like luxury like this, or I could do, beach, anything that's basically going to be related to success or traveling. This is going to be very good. So let me just go back to luxury because I saw one that I like. So if you see one that you like, you can just hold on that, okay, like this, and I can just drag it right onto there. and I can replace that right there and just click there. Okay, so now we're starting to have this video created. Okay, now there are other scenes like this that is already added on this template. So I can just click on this and delete, okay, delete all of those. And then what I can do is I can actually drag this and make it longer. You want to make it at least 15 seconds. Okay, now once that's loaded, what we want to do is we now want to actually click this piece of text here and we're going to edit this text. Okay, so all you have to do is you want to put in a success or motivational quote. Again, you can see that these videos are very simple and they just have like a quote with a background of a beach or something related to luxury. Okay, so to find quotes, all you really have to do is go to Google and just type in success quotes. And then once you do that, you can go ahead and open one of these articles with a lot of quotes. So I went ahead and did that. You can see 200 plus motivational quotes. And all you have to do is go down and find one that you like. Okay? Copy this, go back to InVideo, and then just replace this text right here. Okay, and we can go ahead and format this a little bit better. And we can go ahead and just drag like this, okay, to make it fit and look pretty good, just like that. Now I can actually center it like this, okay, make it a little bit smaller, and that's looking pretty darn good. So if I start to play this, you're gonna be able to see what it looks like. Okay, so that's looking pretty darn good. Now, the next thing we want to do is we want to actually add another text. Okay, so then what I can do is I can copy this by clicking on it, clicking copy, and then go ahead and paste it on. So now we have two. And now what we want to do is we want to actually, on this top one, we want to edit it by double clicking, and we want to just put in something like and follow for more, just like that. And I can make this smaller. And now what we want to do is we want to actually just click on that one and we want to drag it so it's just at the end of the video. So you can see right here how that appears. And then we want to click on this one and make it right when that appears. Okay, so you can see, you know, we could do right there and then also make this one appear right there. Okay, so you can center this and then you can see that it's going to play and then it's going to say like and follow for more. Now, the reason we want to do like and follow for more is because our goal in the beginning is to get followers. Our main goal is to post these videos just like these, okay, that will start to get views. And then once we keep telling people to like and follow, as soon as we get to 1,000 followers here, now we can put a link to our affiliate offer. And then we can tell people to actually go to the link in our bio. Okay, so right here, I could basically say, click the link in my bio. That's after we get to 1,000 followers. But in the meantime, we're just gonna go like and follow for more. Now, that's pretty darn good as I showed. And then what you wanna do is once we've created this video in a matter of seconds, and the more you do, it will get easier and easier, we just click export and you just wanna click on the 720, which you can use for the free version, and click export. And this will download to your device so you can go ahead and go back to your profile on TikTok and you can go ahead and upload that TikTok. Now, one more trick you can use before you publish your TikTok video publicly, you can actually go to sounds as you're uploading this TikTok and you can go ahead and select TikTok viral. This will share with you the most viral songs at that time and you can go ahead and choose one of those songs and add it to your TikTok. And what that's going to do is that will start showing up in the search, showing up on the For You page for other people when that song is viral, and they will stumble across your TikTok videos. And because you're using good success quotes, you're using good videos that are done for you, you will start to get views just like this account. And again, you will start to get to 1,000 followers very easily. Now, once you get to 1,000 followers, again, you want to put a link in your bio. Now you can see this person has Linktree. This person also has Linktree. Now what Linktree is this is a tool that you can actually add multiple offers and multiple links. So if you go over to Linktree, you can actually create an account for free. And then once you're in your back office, you can enter a URL and add this to your Linktree. So for example, if I take my affiliate offer that I'm promoting currently, you can go ahead and put it there and hit add, and it will add to your Linktree. Now you can actually edit the text. So I can say something like, discover the best way to make money online. And that will show up right here. So for example, if I go to share and I open open up my link tree, you'll see what this looks like. So it has my name right here, discover the best way to make money online. When people click there, it's going to get taken to my #1 affiliate offer. Now, if you don't have an affiliate product that you're currently promoting, I invite you to go to the first link in the description. That will take you to my #1 affiliate offer. It pays you instant 100% commissions, so you can start to make sales and get the money as soon as today. Now, you can also go back to Linktree and you can add multiple links. If you want to promote your Facebook, okay, let's say you have a Facebook account. This is mine right here. Okay, I can add that and I can just click on add. Now, you can add another link. Okay, let's say you want to promote your Instagram. So I can go to here, instagram.com/ whatever your username, hit add. And then for the title, I can say, follow me on Instagram for more. And then I can just move this over. So our affiliate offer is the top one and then Instagram. And again, if we go back to our link tree and we refresh this, now it's going to be like this. Okay. And then all you have to do is go to the top, copy your link tree link and go back to your TikTok profile. And once you have 1,000 followers, put that link tree here. And then what will happen is, again, people will see these videos when you use those viral songs, when you use this software, okay, to create these videos very easily. What will happen is people will see this, they'll see our link tree, and then they will start to buy. So I really hope you enjoyed learning this powerful TikTok strategy. The key is consistency. You want to be posting these TikTok videos ideally on a daily basis. Try to do one a day. It's a numbers game. Some of them are going to get more views than others, but the more you post, the more your profile will start to go viral, the more clicks you'll get to your link, and the more sales you'll get to your affiliate offers. Now, as I said before, be sure to click the first link below to see a free video revealing how to easily set up my #1 affiliate system to promote with the method shared in this video to get paid instant 100% commissions. Also, click the subscribe button with the bell icon so you don't miss out on my latest money-making methods. And last, if you want to discover another incredibly easy method to make commissions online, be sure to click the video that will show on the screen in just a second to discover that one also. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.